How to deposit in SUI Wallet. In this tutorial, I'll show you different ways that you can deposit SUI token to your SUI Wallet. Open up the application first, and then from here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, there are different ways that you can get and deposit SUI. The first one option is to buy SUI from your credit card. So you can simply click on the buy option, which is always going to be available for you, and enter the amount that you want to purchase. The minimum is $30, so enter the amount, then tap on next. And then once you have done that, you could get this checkout page where you can use when you can check out from Coinbase or Transact or Bansa. So you can use any one of these, and once you tap on any one of these, you're going to have an option to enter your credit card details. Once you enter it, you can just purchase SUI token to your account. Now you could just go ahead and go back. The other option you can do is go to the account up top and copy your address. You can use any Web3 wallets like Trust Wallet or any other wallets like OKX. Then from here, you can just search for SUI token and tap on it. Paste the address here, enter the amount you want to send. And then once you do that, just confirm and your processing should be done. And now if we go back to our SUI wallet and perform a simple refresh, as you can see, the amount has been transferred here almost instantly. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.